Hi, everybody. Today we are going through the batch actions in the all new editor. And before I show you the new editor batch action, I just want to recall how does the batch actions worked in the previous one. So we had checkboxes on the left hand side. You can select all. It would open an overlay on the workspace and the contextual side panel, and you can perform all these batch actions. In the new editor, of course, you can also select all of these batch actions or all of these checkboxes. From the left-hand side, you can select all. You can also unselect after selecting all. So that's also a new feature. Also, what you can do is if the key list is closed, you like the key list to be closed, you can also select and unselect from the key card itself from the workspace. And yeah, I like to keep it open, so I'll keep it open. What's new is we've compact all of the batch actions into the batch action tray at the bottom. Over here, you would see update status. So, for example, marking anything ready for review, reviewed, flagging, or marking something verified, unverified, excluding, including. That those are all possible. Something new over here is ready for review. It was not possible before to have this do this in a batch action. Of course, you can do it otherwise, but in a batch action, it's not possible. It works very nicely. Then, of course, you can delete keys, and you can and further batch actions are hidden in the three dotted menu. So over here, you would see all the add to job. For example, if you want to add these keys to a job, you can, if you don't have a job in the project, you can quickly create one and then add, or you can also add and remove tags. So add tag, I see there's no tag, so I can right from within this place model, I can already create new tags and then click on new tag. The progress is being done. I mark it refresh. I select a key and I see add tag is being added in the tags. So that's pretty easy and fast enough. Also, what we have done is working on the pre-translate and clear translation. So you see over here 17 keys. I want to pre-translate. Pre-translate is pretty great in terms of utilizing your machine translation and translation memory. What you see over here on the right-hand side is the progress bar, is the background job tracking for all the batch actions that we have now. Once you do it, you are always updated on the statuses that you do, statuses that you perform in the batch action. So either is it in progress, is it queued, is it completed? So now I see it's completed. I can mark it clear to go away, or I can also mark it refresh to see all the results on my in my editor. These are, yeah, we can see all of this is now done. What I like to show you are you can also now clear all the target translations. So that's also pretty great. And if you click on it, again, you would see the progress bar on the right hand side. And as soon as it's finished, you can, of course, just clean it out, mark it refreshed, and bam, that's cleaned out. What's pretty great is that, and this is where these batch actions goes to the next level, is that you can select one or more target languages that these batch actions are performed on. So these batch actions, first of all, are always performed on the target language. So if I have one language selected, it's performed in Spanish in this case. If I have more languages selected, for example, let's say select all, now I have 5 languages selected. I have 17 keys, and I want to, let's say, clear all target translations. I would be able to do this within a single click. And this is the power that we are bringing to users with all new editor, being able to utilize the multilingual view to the next level. And now if I click refresh, you would see all of the translated data would be going away, and all the clear, it has cleared down all the translation fields. Yeah, that's all we have in the translation editor. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.